In a bustling city lived a young woman named Aisha. She was known for her radiant smile and kind heart. Despite facing many hardships, Aisha never let anything dim her spirit. Her family was not wealthy, and they struggled to make ends meet. But Aisha had a dream to become a doctor and help those in need. Aisha was a brilliant student. She excelled in her studies and was always at the top of her class. However, when she finished high school, her family couldn't afford to send her to medical school. Undeterred, Aisha decided to work multiple jobs to save enough money for her education. She worked as a tutor during the day, a waitress in the evenings, and a cashier on weekends. Her schedule was grueling, but her determination never wavered. Years passed, and through sheer hard work and perseverance, Aisha saved enough money to enroll in a medical college. Her journey was far from easy. Balancing her studies with part-time jobs was exhausting, but Aisha never complained. She was driven by her passion and her desire to make a difference. One day, during her final year of medical school, Aisha encountered a particularly challenging situation. A young boy from a poor neighborhood was brought to the hospital where she was interning. The boy had a severe illness and needed immediate surgery. However, his family couldn't afford the treatment. Seeing the desperation in their eyes, Aisha decided to take action. Aisha spoke to her professors and mentors, pleading for help. She organized a fundraiser and reached out to the community for support. Her relentless efforts paid off, and they raised enough money for the boy's surgery. The operation was a success, and the boy recovered fully. This experience strengthened Aisha's resolve to become a doctor and serve the underprivileged. Finally, after years of tireless effort, Aisha graduated from medical school with honors. Her journey had been long and arduous, but she had achieved her dream. Aisha returned to her community and opened a small clinic to provide affordable health care to those in need. Her clinic quickly became a beacon of hope for many families who had nowhere else to turn. Aisha's story of determination and kindness spread throughout the city, inspiring many others to pursue their dreams despite the odds. She became a role model, showing that with hard work, perseverance, and a kind heart, anything is possible. Aisha's unyielding spirit transformed not only her own life, but also the lives of countless others. Her legacy of compassion and resilience continued to inspire generations, proving that true success is measured not by wealth or status, but by the positive impact one has on the world.